Welcome back, Scent Squad. It's Emerald C here with a fragrance review for you for Marc Jacobs Perfect. So I've had her for about a year and I love her. If you love fragrances that are light, fresh, fruity, clean, and also green, then this one is the perfect addition to your collection. It starts off with top notes of rhubarb, followed by narcissus, which is a flower. So these are the notes that you are going to smell first, followed by almond milk. So that is your heart note. This is what you're going to smell for quite a bit of time. Now your base note for this fragrance, it rounds off with cashmere, followed by earthy, woody cedar. You're going to get a lot of that rhubarb, followed by that nutty, warm almond aroma, and it's going to last for quite a bit. This right here is the perfect go-to feminine, pretty girl fragrance. If you want something that's cute enough to wear to brunch or a day date, this is phenomenal. This is perfect for spring, summer, and daytime. It won't shine as much in the night, but like the very prominent upbeat notes are a phenomenal daytime fragrance. Even if you're into wearing perfume when you work out, this is another one that will shine through. Just like a little spritz here or there. This is cute. If you're going to the amusement park in the summertime and you just want to wear like a quick fragrance, something that's just not going to be too much, too overwhelming in the warm heat, this right here is perfect for that. Now, it kind of reminds me of a fragrance that's good for someone. It's youthful, but not like teenage youthful. Like this is not something a teen girl would wear. It caters well to those who are in their 20s. In their 30s, and I can even see someone in their early 40s wearing it. The sillage for this fragrance, when you wear it, is it a big fragrance? It radiates well within an arm's distance, okay? So if someone is within that bubble, they will smell you well. How long is Marc Jacobs Perfect lasting? It's lasting anywhere from 6 to 8 hours very well. I will say that this fragrance leans more towards the ladies. This is more of a feminine fragrance. I can't imagine a guy wearing this if they're into like masculine, piney, fragrances, those peppery scents. This is a phenomenal, again, it's like a girly girl fragrance, something that you can very easily wear. And when I wear it, it reminds me of a beach day. It is very reminiscent of a beach day. I can see myself just like sprawled out on the beach in a bikini. There's not a cloud in the sky. It is very sunny. You can hear the waves crashing. That's what this smells like. It just smells like happiness. It smells like hand holding on the beach in the daytime. And it's also, I feel like it's a good office scent. So those of you who wear perfume to work, and if you've been told before, like what you're wearing is too loud, if you need a safe blind buy for like an office scent, this is another one that you can kind of slide into that category. Something about this concoction kind of reminds me of like Sweet Pea from Bath and Body Works. Those of you who are into like the Bath and Body Works fragrances or know the 2000s, it was like an early 2000s fragrance. Sweet Pea, there's something in it that reminds me of that. Let me also talk about the bottle. The bottle, if you look at the top, sneaker, a little kitten heel on the back, cherries, there's a banana, a portion of a peeled banana, and like this huge pretty ribbon. So this is what we're looking at for the lid. This is super cute because I love bottles that are unique. I love when my fragrance bottles are unique or they have some kind of unique concept to it. If you like this review or there's another fragrance you would love to hear about or you want me to sample from Marc Jacobs, I want you to drop it below. If you have Marc Jacobs Perfect, I want to hear what you think about the fragrance. What does it remind you of? Do you love it? What does the lasting power look like for you? I want you to drop your feedback below. And until then, I will see you in the next video. And don't you forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.